Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I played in makeup today. It is not a tutorial. I'm gonna pop in and out to talk to you about some products and things that I use in the video, but this is not a tutorial. If you want, grab your palettes, grab your brushes, your paints, your P. Louise bases, all that, your concealer, and just have fun. I'm gonna try to do some beginner friendly tutorials, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it's hard to do beginner friendly videos because my hand just has a mind of its own and it's gonna start to create looks like this. But get your palette, pause it, add the color as I'm adding it, play, pause, play, and play. Number one advice I can give anybody is just to play in makeup. Things are not open back up yet. Play, you have time. Me personally, I love a bold look. I'm just a bold kind of girl. Got my shortcut again and things like that. This is just who I am. This is what I do. But I would try to do some beginner friendly videos, but please put those videos down below. Beginner friendly what? Foundation routine, beginner friendly eyeshadow routine. Just, just let me know what you guys want to see, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a look with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 and the matte book. So I'm going to do like a purple and orange look because I just love me purple. I love me some oranges, so we're going to get it together. So I'm going to show you everything I'm going to be using. So let's get into it. Okay, so my next color will be Tipsy Girl. So this is, yeah, Tipsy Girl. Okay, so I want to come back, pop back in, pat back in. Well, pat those colors in, because that's what I am doing. Like I'm saying, just play in some makeup. I'm going to use this to set my concealer under my brow bone. And I'm just getting into these intricate looks, these colorful looks, these cut creases, the white line, so just make sure you're going back in and reinforcing those colors. And you're going to blend. This is a clean brush. And I'm just going to make sure everything is seamless because I'm going to be cutting the crease off camera. See, it's already cut. But I'm going back in with some more color. When it comes to color, you really want everything to pop and be vibrant. So you're going to see me go back and forth and add, blend. Now, this part really got on my nerves because I didn't have my contacts in and your girl can't see. So my cut crease was kind of wonky at first, but at the end, baby, the end result. I'm going to go in with this color. It is so vibrant. I've been sleeping on the yellow in this matte book. I've been sleeping on yellow, period. I'm going to revisit this. I was not filming. I was so done. Look at my face, y'all. But yeah, I'm just going to go in and I'm just having fun. I'm freestyling. I did not know what I wanted to do, but I know that I wanted to come on with some color, take some pictures outside. I'll be inserting the pictures in the end. This is a P. Louise base. I just showed the color. I blinked and I missed it. So sorry about that. But I think it's a dark purple. And I'm just going to outline my crease because I lost my definition because I kept having to cut higher and higher and higher. But like I said, I was having fun with this video. So this is not a tutorial. If you want to follow along, please do. But you don't have to. Just make sure you watch, like, subscribe, comment on, the video. Thumbs up your girl. But yes, basically I'm just going in with that dark blue. I feel like this dark blue really set the color off. Then I'm going to add some glitter towards the end. I don't want to keep talking because like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is me having fun. So grab your brushes and let's go. Okay, so off camera I kind of went ham, but you know, you see the vibes. Yeah, I just added some glitter, some pigments, some blue liner. So this is what we have here. I'm just having fun today. Just having fun doing my makeup, but it's a fun video. Yeah, you know, I just wanted to play with some color today. I love the color scheme. I'll probably revisit it because it's very pretty. So yes. And I used Raver to do the line in the middle. I'm just going to apply my pigment and then the glitters and, you know, complete the look. Oh, and for the pigment, I'm going to use white gold from J. La Rue. And the glitters I'm using is from Glow Up Academy, Kiki Adams. So I ordered Hollow Gang, which is what I'll be using now. And I also use Prom Scene. I'll probably be using that in another video. But I just want to let you know that her mini glitters in the sets, they don't have any names, so I'm going to use a yellow and a purple. And then her larger glitters that she offers is this is in Mardi Gras, so I use Mardi Gras just to go around my wing, just to outline the wing. Not really a tutorial, just me playing in some makeup. And to apply the pigment, I shouldn't have did this, but I did. I'm going to use Duo Glue. It packs it on too much. I wanted sparse glitter, so yeah, next time I'll use my NYX glitter glue or this Shadow Insurance by Too Faced, but it is what it is. At this point, I was going glitter happy, but like I said, the look was so cute. Oh my god. Just want to reinforce that and clean up that fallout. This blue, this is what I came on. I love this blue from the matte book. It is so pretty. I forgot to pop on my lash, so let me do that now. And I'm going to move into my face prep. I'm going to tell y'all what I'm going to use off camera. Where is my tweezer? Had the tweezer here, y'all. So I'm gonna pop this lash on and I'm gonna show you guys what I will be using to prep my face. My skin is super dry for some reason. I don't know why, but pop that out, okay. So I'm gonna use my Fresh Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I'm gonna use my Water Crunch Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizing Toner Mist after that. Then I'm going to go in with the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. Then I'm going to go on top of that with my Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. So these two are from the same set. And then I'll figure out primer and stuff like that after. But I want to just pop my lash on. And then I want to start to prep my face for some makeup. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. My foundation will be the Huda Beauty Cinnamon. And I'm going to go in with the Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer and a Warm Sand under my eyes. So you know I'm gonna blend, doing a tailor-made. Why can't I talk this morning? It's early, y'all. But yeah, I'm using the tailor-made J method. You know, my concealer, my contour, and my foundation, and I'm just gonna blend to perfection. And may come back, may not. May come back, may come not. I'm not too sure, but you know the video. Okay, I'm not coming back, y'all. I can't talk today. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm going to set with my banana powder. I'm not going to bake because under my eyes are very, very dry for some reason. So I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to push the powder in, set the rest in my face with, what do I want to? Maybe some Ben Nye neutral set. So I'm going to do Ben Nye banana under my eyes, a neutral set all over. And then I'm going to begin to contour and highlight. Like I said, this is a fun video. I want to play in some makeup. So, you know, you don't have to follow it. It's not really a tutorial. This is NC50 Studio Fix powder. I'm just going to put that on top to knock away that Ben Nye neutral set powder. Now I'm going to go under my eyes with NC45 Studio Fix powder by MAC. You already know. I'm taking chalk dust letter O. I think it's O. Yes, O, and I'm just gonna go down the bridge of my nose. So I have Coconut Fix Plus and I have the regular Fix Plus because I'm running low on this. So I'm gonna spray this first, let it settle, spray the Fix Plus on top, and then I'm gonna highlight. I'm going to go in with Plum from the CREASE Fruits and Healthy. So I switched it up with Raven. Just like to mix it in a little bit because I'm just a little darker right here. And I'm going to go in with Fruits and then Healthy. with Fruits, Hill City, and I believe Raven. Yeah, Raven is a dark color. I kept having to go over and over and over and over, which is fine. I'm still getting used to the Crayon Case Liquid Lipsticks, their formula. So you see, I keep going over and over and over and over and over and over. It was a pretty color. Like I said, I'm getting used to dealing with those. And oh, that gloss just set it off. Now, whenever you do intricate looks, I forget this step, so don't feel no type of way. I always need to go back around my mouth with some concealer and blend it out and make sure you set it. 9 times out of 10, I don't do this, but since this was a dark, bold lip and I was loving it, I said, why not go all out? But yeah, I just like to go around my mouth and make sure all the lines are sharp and blend it out. I popped on this gloss, the Butter Gloss in Eclair from NYX. It's cute. Now it's time to towel it in. This should be okay though. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you grabbed your palettes and your brushes and you played along in makeup with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.